As the clock ticks down to midnight, the air buzzes with excitement. I can feel the energy of the crowd around me, everyone eagerly anticipating that magical moment. Fireworks light up the sky, each burst a reminder of the year gone by and the fresh start ahead. Traditions come alive, some gather around the table for a feast, while others raise their glasses for a toast, sharing hopes and dreams for the new year. In many cultures, it's customary to make resolutions, a chance to reflect and set intentions. I think about what I want to achieve, whether it's learning a new skill or simply being more present. And then, there's the joy of connecting with loved ones, exchanging stories and laughter, creating memories that will last a lifetime. As the countdown begins, I can't help but feel a sense of renewal. The new year is not just a date on the calendar, it's a canvas waiting for us to paint our aspirations and adventures. Here's to new beginnings, fresh opportunities, and the promise of what's to come.